Douglas Fir, also known as Pseudotsuga menziesii, is a tall and stately tree that is native to the Pacific Northwest of North America. It is highly valued for its timber and is a popular choice for Christmas trees. If you are interested in growing Douglas Fir, choosing the right location. The first step in growing Douglas Fir is to choose the right location. Douglas Fir prefers a moist, well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. It also requires plenty of sunlight, so choose a spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. If you live in an area with hot summers, choose a spot that provides some shade during the hottest part of the day. Preparing the soil. Before planting Douglas Fir, it is important to prepare the soil. Begin by removing any grass or weeds from the area where you plan to plant the tree. You can do this by hand or by using a weed trimmer. Once the area is cleared, loosen the soil to a depth of about 6 inches using a garden fork or tiller. Add compost or well-rotted manure to the soil to improve its fertility and texture. Planting the tree. Once the soil is prepared, it is time to plant the Douglas Fir tree. Dig a hole that is twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball of the tree. Gently remove the tree from its container and place it in the hole. Make sure that the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Fill in the hole with soil and gently tamp down the soil around the tree. Watering and fertilizing. After planting, it is important to water the Douglas Fir tree regularly. Water deeply once a week, or more frequently during hot, dry weather. Make sure that the soil around the tree stays moist but not waterlogged. In addition to watering, you can fertilize the tree once a year in the spring. Use a slow-release fertilizer that is high in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Tree care. Once your Douglas Fir tree is established, it will require minimal care. Remove any weeds or grass that grow around the base of the tree, as they can compete with the tree for water and nutrients. You can also prune the tree to maintain its shape or to remove any damaged or diseased branches. However, be careful not to remove too much of the tree's foliage, as this can weaken the tree and make it more susceptible to pests and diseases. In conclusion, growing Douglas Fir is a rewarding process that can result in a beautiful and long-lived tree. With proper preparation and care, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of Douglas Fir in your own backyard.